For beginners diving into the world of indoor gardening, choosing the right plants is key to building confidence and ensuring success. If you're just starting, you'll want low-maintenance plants that thrive with minimal care. Here's a list of 12 beginner-friendly plants that are not only easy to grow, but also help create a fresh, vibrant indoor space. 1. Snake plant, Sansevieria. Let me tell you, the snake plant is your best friend if you're a little forgetful or too busy to fuss over plants. It's tough, it can handle low light, and you only need to water it when the soil's totally dry. Plus, those tall, sword-like leaves, they'll instantly make any space look modern and stylish. 2. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. Looking for a plant that looks great and practically takes care of itself? Pothos is your go-to. It has these pretty trailing vines that look amazing on a shelf or hanging down. It's super easy. Just give it some water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and it's happy even in low light. 3. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum. If you're into flowers, the peace lily is a total winner. Those gorgeous white blooms, they're super easy to get. And the plant also cleans the air. It doesn't mind hanging out in low to medium light and only needs a drink when the leaves start to droop a bit, giving you a gentle reminder. 4th, ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamiifolia. The ZZ plant is practically indestructible. It thrives in low light, and you can almost forget to water it. It'll still look amazing. Its glossy dark green leaves give off serious tropical vibes, making it perfect for any room. 5. Aloe vera. Want a plant that's not only pretty but useful too? Aloe vera is your plant. It loves bright, indirect light, and you don't have to water it often. Plus, if you ever get a little sunburn, the gel from its leaves is a lifesaver. 6. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Spider plants are classic for a reason. They're easy, forgiving, and look super cute with their little baby offshoots hanging down. Bright, indirect light makes them happiest, but they're not fussy. Just water when the soil feels dry, and you're good. 7. Philodendron. Philodendrons are like the cool, laid-back plants of the indoor garden world. They grow in low light, don't need much water, and have these lush, heart-shaped leaves that really stand out. You'll love how easy it is to care for them. 8. Jade plant, Crassula ovata. If you're into succulents, jade plant is a must-have. It has these thick, fleshy leaves that store water, so it doesn't need much attention. Just keep it in bright, indirect light and let the soil dry out between waterings. 9. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Rubber plants are perfect if you want a bold, stylish look. They've got these glossy dark green leaves that really stand out. They do best in bright, indirect light and only need water when the soil feels dry. 10. Monstera Deliciosa. Looking for a statement plant? The Monstera is it. With its big split leaves, it's the plant everyone's talking about. It's easy to care for too. Bright, indirect light and watering when the top inch of soil is dry. 11th. English ivy, Hedera helix. English ivy is great if you want something that's both beautiful and versatile. It can trail or climb, making it perfect for shelves or hanging baskets. It grows well in bright or low light and just needs moderate watering. 12th. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. Want a trendy plant that's not as hard as it looks? The fiddle leaf fig is a showstopper with its big, bold leaves. It likes bright, indirect light and a bit of regular watering. Just don't let it sit in water. These plants are like the perfect starting squad for any beginner. They'll bring life to your space without making you work too hard. Trust me, with these in your home, you'll feel like a plant pro in no time.